Alright, we got a brand new Kryptonite that I won off of eBay about a week ago, and the postman just delivered this about 10 minutes ago, and I couldn't wait to get organized, so here we are. Beautiful lock. I just took it out of the package. This is not a paint, it's some kind of very durable finish, and the Kryptonite logo is actually engraved into the face of the lock. Very, very well executed. Nothing else spectacular about it. It's identical in almost every way to the American 700. Some kind of number on the back, I don't know what that is. I'm not going to take the keys off now because we're going to try to pick this thing. The trapdoor is a little bit different. I don't think it's interchangeable with the American one. It's different shape. This one is more rectangular in shape. But the keyway looks to be very similar. So let's see if we can't pick it. I have not picked it, so you guys might be in for a very long video. I am assuming that it has serrated pins like an American. The package says it's a 6-pinner. And I think that's what I'm dealing with. We'll gut it if we get it open today. Okay, all the way to the rear, and I'm just going to start, as always, moving forward, looking for a binding pin. And I can tell you it does have serrated pins already. Some light crunching going on. Might have just overset something there. Very easy to do with serrated pins. A little trouble getting up there on top. Okay, pin 1, I just got a false set out of it. Let's go to the back and start looking for what's holding us up here. Okay, I'm looking for something to give us feedback, and sometimes you get it. If we're lucky and we have a serrated spool, we might very well get some feedback. I don't know if there's any of those in here. I would say we got at least one though, since we do have a false set. Check pin 1 again. He's still good. I got feedback when you know it's the last pin. See if we can knock him home. Let me get on him. And there we go, open. Now we can check our keys. Let's close this up real quick and just make sure those prove to you see what the bitting looks like. I try not to peek at these to give you an honest opening. Yeah, that's why we're having trouble with that last one. It's kind of high behind a bunch of low ones. Perfect, perfect. Okay, let's open this thing up. And I have a new, let me zoom out a little bit. We're going to need a Phillips. I have a new tray that I made, along with some new followers that I made on the lathe. Okay. We're going to break this thing in. It's first use, virgin tray. There's our core. Looks to be 6. Yep. Alright, let's take our key. Turn that thing sideways. Let's pull this C-clip off for the first time. They're always hard. So let's take that key out of there for a sec. Come on. Thought the lock was tough. Okay, let's get the right follower and get these other guys out of here. Okay, let's see what we're going to be doing here. We're coming up this way. Let's turn that just a hair. Looks like we only had 5 in there despite them saying 6. Either that or something fell out and I don't see it on the ground. It must have fallen out somewhere. Oh, there it is. I knew there were 6 in there. Okay, 1. It wouldn't make sense that we have one missing from there. If it was missing from this end, I could explain it, but since it was missing from there, it must have popped out when we put the plug. Okay, let me see here. Let me just start dumping these. Crap. So there were 6. Okay, where did you go, you devil? There we go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. Okay. So what are we looking at here? If I can get this up so you can get a good look. Okay, it looks like the first ones are steel pins, probably an anti-drilling technique, so that's a good thing. It's a good sign. We have a serrated key pin, all the key pins are serrated, and all the uppers are, looks like they're not serrated spools, they're just regular spools. So 5 spools, 5 serrated lower pins, and then normal first pins made out of steel as an anti-drill measure. So there we go. Kryptonite, I don't know the model number, I'm sorry, but 6-pin Kryptonite open. Anyway, thanks for your time. Everybody stay safe and stay legal.